Are you ready to dive into the world of cutting-edge laptops that seamlessly blend power and elegance? Well, today is your lucky day as I bring you an in-depth review of the Acer Swift 3 laptop, a device that promises to revolutionize your computing experience. From stunning visuals to lightning-fast performance, we've got it all covered. So, let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the visuals. The Acer Swift 3 laptop comes in at 14 inches. It features a 1610 2.8K OLED display that is professionally calibrated to balance blue light limitations while preserving higher color quality in order to keep potential eye strain to a minimum during extended viewing. And, with its vibrant IPS panels and razor-sharp resolution, your content will come to life with stunning clarity. Under the hood, this laptop packs a punch with the 12th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 processors. Whichever processor you choose, the Swift laptop ensures smooth multitasking and blazing fast performance, making it a reliable companion for work and play alike. Speaking of multitasking, the Swift laptop offers 2 RAM options, allowing you to customize your device to match your productivity needs. 8GB of DDR5 RAM comes with the i5 processor, and 16GB of DDR5 RAM with the i7. Whether you're breezing through multiple applications or tackling resource-intensive tasks, the ample RAM will keep things running seamlessly. Running out of storage space will be a thing of the past with the storage options provided by the Swift laptop. You get 512GB with the i5 processor and 1TB with the i7. From speedy SSDs that ensure rapid data access to spacious hard drives for your growing media library, you'll have ample space to store all your files without a hitch. For those who demand exceptional graphics performance, the Swift laptop delivers with its Intel Iris Z graphics shared memory. From casual gamers to creative professionals, you can enjoy fluid visuals and accelerate your design projects without breaking a sweat. No need to constantly search for power outlets. The Acer Swift laptop boasts an impressive battery life of 8 hours, allowing you to stay productive and entertained on the go. Whether you're tackling a full day's work or indulging in binge-watching sessions, the battery life won't disappoint. Connectivity is key, and the Swift laptop is well equipped in this department. With 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB ports, 2 Type A USB ports, an HDMI, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, you can seamlessly connect all your peripherals and accessories without hassle. Staying connected is effortless thanks to the laptop's robust Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Whether you're streaming, video conferencing, or simply browsing the web, you can expect stable and speedy wireless performance. In an age of virtual meetings and online collaboration, the Swift laptop shines with its high-quality FHD camera with temporal noise reduction and HD audio setup. Crisp video quality and clear audio ensure that you're always heard and seen in the best light. What's more, the Swift laptop comes packed with special features designed to enhance your user experience. From fingerprint sensors for secure and swift logins to backlit keyboards for late-night typing sessions, these thoughtful additions elevate the overall functionality of the laptop. Concerned about portability? Fear not. The Acer Swift laptop manages to strike the perfect balance between power and portability. At 3.1 pounds, and with its sleek design, slim profile, and lightweight build, it's easy to slip into your bag and take it wherever inspiration strikes. Now, let's talk about the bottom line. The Swift laptop offers a range from $899 to $1,199, succeeding in providing accommodation for different budgets, making premium performance and style accessible to a wide range of users. To sum it all up, here are some of the standout pros of the Acer Swift laptop. Powerful processors for top-notch performance, stunning visuals with a variety of screen sizes and graphics options, ample RAM and storage configuration, an impressive battery life for on-the-go productivity, a sleek and lightweight design that doesn't compromise on power. Of course, no product is without its downsides. Here are a couple of cons to keep in mind. Premium configurations can be pricey, and higher-end graphics options might not be available in all models. In conclusion, the Acer Swift laptop stands as a testament to innovation, combining performance and elegance in a single package. Whether you're a professional seeking power or a casual user seeking style, this laptop has something for everyone. So, if you're ready to elevate your computing experience, the Acer Swift laptop might just be your perfect match. A link for the Swift 3 laptop is in the description. If you found this video helpful, please share it. Don't forget to hit the like button, ring the notification bell, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning into Creative Verge, where smart choices begin.